Follow him. Oh shit!
Did anyone get charged?
Yeah.
Alright, wait. Get them. Good?
Yep.
Okay, we're good.
Alright, I'm biling in the fire. Alright, follow me.
Follow grape on the ground.
There's a grape on the ground. Alright.
Yeah.
Just jump
I don't
through
know
this.
where the heck to go.
I might not survive.
Oh, you can.
Okay. Oh! I'm down.
Oh, guys, help! Back here, help!
Just
Where?
shoot me down. Oh, okay, good.
I'm in the safe house right now.
Okay, on our way.
Get your asses in here right now.
Get over here, my dudes.
I'm here.
Get in, Josh.
Cam.
Stop closing the door.
I'm.
Piece of shit.
Get him up.
Derek, you closed the door on him like 3
I
times.
didn't try to.
No,
I saw the charger, so I was trying to close it as fast as possible.
we lost
as soon as he
Luke,
got in.
guys.
Yeah, you guys see, now we have the advantage because we have an AI.